Now I have not only the clan mother and the chief here. Wonderful. Can you tell me a little bit about your role as clan mother?
My role as clan mother, I am kind of like the grandmother of all of the people in the nation. And the turkey, wolf, and turtle clan mothers are my responsibility. I help them with whatever they need help with, and I advise them. And I review lessons that need to be reviewed before they're taught to the people and that sort of thing.
And your name is?
Morning Dove.
And you are Quiet Wolf. I'm assuming, and I don't know, you were not born with those names?
No.
How were the names chosen?
My name was chosen, I was asked if I had any special feelings about a name. And I'm a morning person, and I prefer peace above all. So the dove represents peace to me.
Sure. And you name yourself, or the tribe names you?
The tribe named me.
All right. What about you?
Mine was basically my grandmother. My original name is Chukutwe to me. Chukutwe means also quiet, but as my grandmother put it, it was Chukutwe is to be quiet, shut up.
Oh.
Later in life it became Chukwese, which is a calm, quiet.
Okay.